Now we have study about the subject CE8395 Strength of Material for Mechanical Engineer. That is the fourth semester for mechanical engineer. Second year student will be studied the fourth semester. Unit 2, transfer loading on beam and stress in beam. So we have cantilever beam with UDL load apply the based on problems. So we have discussed about the UDL load apply on the cantilever beam. So that type of problem will be we have discussed. Course outcome of the in this unit. After successful completion of the student should be able to develop the shear force and bending moment diagram of various type of beam under different loading condition. The knowledge developed in this unit is K3. So that is the problem. Draw shear force and bending moment diagram for a cantilever beam 2 meter long subjected to a UDL of 20 kilonewton per meter for a distance of 1.5 meter from the fixed end. So listen, you can read the problem carefully, then draw the beam diagram. So most of the problem not given for the diagram. So you can read the problem, understand the data, then you can write the diagram. That means you can draw the diagram. So first of all, you can understand the given data. So you can read carefully the problem. Draw shear force and bending moment diagram for a cantilever beam 2 meter long subjected to a UDL of UDL means uniform distributed load, that is a short form of UDL of 20 kilonewton per meter for a distance of 1.5 meter from the fixed end. 1.5 meter from the fixed end. So that is the data inside the problem. We can draw the diagram. So that is the diagram. That is a cantilever beam. One end is fixed, another end is free. That type of beam is called cantilever beam. So the section A, B, C, that is totally 2 meter long. The UDL of 20 kilonewton per meter, distance of 1.5 meter from the fixed end. So 1.5 meter from the fixed end, UDL load will be applied 20 kilonewton per meter. That is the diagram. So that load is UDL load. You can see this. The UDL load will be applied on A and B. So the total length of the beam is 2 meter. So that is the given data. We have draw the diagram. Next we have calculate the shear force calculation. So shear force calculation, upward force will be applied negative sign, downward force will be applied positive sign. That is very important. Upward force will be applied negative sign, downward load will be applied positive sign will be applied. So first of all, shear force at C point. So we have take it the point C. So they have a 3 points are there A, B, C. First of all, we have take it the point C. Shear force at C point. That is no force will be acting. So shear force C is equal to 0. Next we have calculate the shear force at B point. Shear force B point is equal to 0. That is also no load will be applied. So that is also no load will be applied. So shear force B is equal to 0. Next, shear force at A point. Shear force at A point. Okay. So the UDL will be applied on A and B. UDL load applied on A and B. The formula for shear force, the UDL will be applied force into distance. Force into distance. The distance is the UDL will be spreaded on the beam. So the AB is the distance. The UDL will be applied on the particular distance of AB. So the formula of UDL will be applied on shear force, force into distance. So shear force at A is equal to 20 into distance between A and B, that is 1.5 meter. So 20 into 1.5 is equal to 30 kilonewton. So we have calculate the shear force at C, A and B. Okay, so we have calculate the C, B, A shear forces. Next we have draw the shear force diagram. So listen, that is the shear force diagram. First point, shear force at C, that is 0. Shear force at B, that is also 0. Then shear force at A, 30 kilonewton. So you have mentioned the 30 kilonewton. You can join the line B and A. So that will be a cross line will be formed. That is a cross line will be formed. When the UDL load will be applied the beam, you have mentioned the shear force is cross line. Mention the shear force at cross line. Okay. Next we have calculate the bending moment calculation. Bending moment calculation. Bending moment calculation. Next we have calculator. So we can, that point is we have mentioned the clockwise rotation we have positive, anti-clockwise rotation we have mentioned negative. So clockwise will be a positive sign will be mentioned, anti-clockwise will be mentioned, negative sign will be mentioned. Okay. So first of all we have see the point C. So bending moment at C is equal to 0. So what is the formula for bending moment? Force into distance. Force into distance. They have a no force will be applied. So that is bending moment at C is 0. The distance also 0. So the bending moment C is 0. Next bending moment at B point. That is also no force will be applied. No force will be applied. So the bending moment B is equal to 0. Next, we have calculated the bending moment at A point. Bending moment at A point. So the UDL load will be applied. Listen, the UDL load will be applied. The bending moment formula is force into distance. That is minus force into distance divided by 2. Once again, I tell you, the UDL load will be applied, the bending moment formula minus force into distance divided by 2. So the bending moment at A point, the UDL load will be applied on A and B. So minus 20, the distance is 1.5 into 1.5 divided by 2. So that will be a formula, force into distance, the distance divided by 2. So minus 20 into 1.5 into 1.5 divided by 2 is equal to minus 22.5 kilonewton meter. Next we go draw the bending moment diagram. So the bending moment C is 0, bending moment at B point also 0. Next bending moment at A point minus 22 point kilonewton. So you can draw the line downward direction the curve. You can draw the curve downward direction. So that is A point, that is minus 22.5 kilonewton. That is we have mentioned the curve line. UDL load will be applied. The bending moment is minus 22.5 kilonewton. That is the diagram for bending moment. That is the diagram for bending moment. The bending moment C point 0, B point 0. So the bending moment A is minus 22 point kilonewton. We have draw the arc curve will be formed the bending moment diagram. Next, reference textbook R.K. Bensal, Strength of Materials, Lakshmi Publications. Another one book is U.C. Jindal, Strength of Materials, Asian Book Private Limited. That two books will be we have reference textbooks. Thank you.